Fellow RVers, hello and welcome. Again, my name's Joel Tucker and I'm here at Veurinks RV Center in Grand Rapids, Michigan, where we've been doing business for 65 plus years, bringing you great RVs at even better prices. Today I have the pleasure of showing you the all-new Kodiak by Dutchmen RV. It's a 285 BHSL, a great bunkhouse floor plan that you, your family will love. So stick with me and let's take a look. Now let's check out the front of this Kodiak. Let there be light. We installed some LED lights in the front cap this year on this Kodiak 285 BHSL. Give you a little bit more lighting as you're hooking and unhooking at nighttime. We do want to point out you do get a 3-year structural warranty on this Dutchmen RV for your convenience and for your peace of mind. Moving around, we do provide you with a solar panel prep that we can have a solar panel to keep your battery topped off and charged at all times. One thing I love about every of my Kodiaks is the amount of storage you do get, and this does give you also a huge pass-through of lighting as well. A lot of times you'll see a light in the front area but not on the back side of it, so you can see both sides. And notice large doors on both sides, so if you have an item here you can get to it on that side as well. Also with the Kodiaks, we are aluminum framed. If you look right up here, you'll see this aluminum right here as well. That way you know it's going to be a sound, lightweight structure for you guys. On each 4 corners you do get jacks. That way it's nice and stable for you. Moving around, we give you a huge patio awning. It is powered operated. It has a dump feature. If water collects, it will break and water will run off, which is very nice. You get an outside LED lights as well. Outside speakers for your favorite tunes. Of course, you get your outlet and cable hookup, and then this right here will be your TV mount. If you want to hook up a TV outside, you have that ready to go. Moving to the back of this Kodiak, we provide you with a exterior grill for them hot dogs, hamburgers, whatever your favorite dish is. You can cook it right here. You got ample storage along with the front. You get some more storage in the back for those hoses, which we do provide you for your outside spray port. And pretty much whatever you want to fit back here, you have plenty of room. Before we head inside, I want to point out you do get a large assist grab handle and 3 steps to get in to your new RV. So let's go take a look, shall we? Now here we are. We're in the Kodiak Ultra, the 285 BHSL. Before we get started on the floor plan, I do want to mention that this is 5,800 pounds. So if you have a half-ton truck, large SUV, no problem to tow it. It has 1 slide which houses your dinette, which is a U-shape, and your couch. This is a bunkhouse model, so we have 2 large bunks in the back, a rear bath, and a ton of storage. So stick with me and we'll have a look, shall we? Right as you enter the entry door, you'll see on the paneling wall here is going to be your panel, which controls your slides, your lights, your awning, all those things you have right here at your convenience as you enter and exit the coach. And then right to my right shoulder is the #1 feature of this floor plan, best in class in this floor plan. It's a huge walk-in closet with 4 large shelves, hooks for coats, plenty of room for a vacuum, for brooms. I mean, you can really fit a lot of stuff in this. Most in this class will be half the size, not quite as deep of shelves, so be aware. If you're shopping around, this Kodiak will provide you the most storage, bar none. And of course, this is a bunkhouse floor plan, so what do you need? You need some large bunks. So each of these bunks will have a capacity of holding 300 pounds. We get you a bunk ladder as well that we can get in and out easily if you have the little youngsters coming with you. And another cool thing about each bunk is you have your own light and your own window, which opens fully for a lot of breeze. Another cool feature of this bunk system is going to be your folding door here, that we have extra room for bicycles, large totes. You do have room for those items in this floor plan. Next to the bunks will be your large bathroom. We'll take a quick look with your tub surround, a nice vanity, medicine cabinet with mirror, storage below the sink, foot flush toilet, and if you walk around the corner, you will see a large pantry in there as well, or I should say linen closet, for other items that you want to store along with you. So enough room in this cabinet here for any towels, linens, that kind of thing. Moving out of the bathroom, we'll have even more storage here. Now this could be used for clothes for the kids in the bunk beds. If you run out of space in your large pantry, you have more space here for other food items as well. You have a digital thermostat to control your temperature, which is going to be ducted heat and AC. And then moving to your big super slide here, we have your Jackknife Sofa, which will act as another sleeping area. And there will be storage beneath it as well for blankets and other items you want to keep with you. A huge U-shaped dinette. Now this really is a big dinette table. So you can sit down here with friends, family, play cards, eat dinner. And below each of these seats will be a drawer for those games you want to bring along with you, for pots and pans, more clothes. I mean, you really get storage in this RV. As you can tell, in our super slide here, we have a lot of windows, right? In the windows, we have your pull-down shades, which will be the pleated shades, which are nicer than your typical type of mini blinds. Again, windows on both sides of the slides will open up for full ventilation, and they're not just going to be there for light. You can actually get light and ventilation. With more light, you do have the skylight right above here with its own shade. That way you don't have the sun just draining you full of heat, but you do get more natural light. Across from your sofa will be your TV area. So you can mount your TV right here if you would like to have that option, along with your plugs for your DVD player, which is right down below. So this center will be a DVD, CD player, radio. It is also Bluetooth connectivity. Got shelf here for items, and then you have more storage below here for whatever you want to bring along with you. Across from your large dinette will be your, in my opinion, very spacious kitchen with all the amenities you need. You have your gas, electric refrigerator, both freezer and fridge sections there. Got your stainless steel microwave, cooktop, and a nice flush mount range here. It does have the high output on the front and is a 3-burner. If you didn't notice, I'll make sure you are aware that this is a one-piece countertop. So no more T-molds where you can get water damage, splits off, you get food in the crevices. This is a one-piece countertop, nice, smooth, very easy to clean. With a single bowl sink and matching sink cover. Nice residential faucet. It is, you know, solid, real nice, and it lasts you a long time. And then the front area, we have your bedroom. So let's take a look at that, okay, shall we? What's up, guys? I'm in your master bedroom with a real solid door for your privacy. Come on in, shall we? So in your front bedroom, we give you a lot more storage, wardrobes on either side with a nice glass insert. Of course, open it up, nice deep hanging wardrobe with a shelf above here for any other items. And a lot of times in these front bedrooms, you don't have actual cabinetry, you have just a shelf. Again, Kodiak does a really nice job with this modern interior look with your glass inserts, your nice, rich, darker wood trim package. And of course, open it up, you got plenty of room for other clothing, socks, jeans, shirts, you got room there. Nice sized bed with his and her lights. And on both sides of the bed, you are equipped with a nightstand, a shelf, and then a plug as well. On this side, you have USBs, and on both sides, you do have your 110 outlets. Plug in your phones, clocks, things like that. On the wall where your window is at, you will have a mounting area for a TV if you do want to have one in your bedroom with your TV hookups. Again, this is a fully ducted camper with AC and heat. So you have AC ducts in the ceiling, you have your heat ducts in the flooring. One other thing I do want to point out in all my Kodiaks, along with the construction, is going to be it's 6-sided aluminum, and it's also laminated. So you have very durable ceilings, floors, sidewalls, nice structure. Pretty much it makes it lightweight and very durable. As you can see to my left, we have also a secondary door for the folks to get in and out of the bedroom. That way you're not disturbing the kids in the back bunk area. Well, there we have it, folks. The Kodiak 285 BHSL by Dutchmen RV. Now, wasn't that a great floor plan? I know I loved it. And you and your family will too. Again, I'm Joel Tucker at Veurinks RV Center. My direct line is 616-965-9623. Give me a call day or night. If you have questions about your trade, pick up the phone and give me a call. If you want to know if we can finance, get you a great deal, give me a call. I'm Joel Tucker at Veurinks RV Center, 616-965-9623. I will talk to you later.